Using the emergency plug. The emergency plug is a universal safety tool for caregivers who arrive first at the site of an accident or incapacitation involving an electric vehicle. The emergency plug helps create a safe working situation for all people involved, caregivers and bystanders, in case the safety systems of the car have failed. It's difficult for a caregiver to be sure the motor of an electric vehicle is off because you can hardly hear the engine. This way, a dangerous situation can occur when the vehicle shoots forward and possibly hits someone. The emergency plug gets the vehicle out of drive and locks the car into neutral or park mode. This way, the car won't be able to drive. On the inside of the case, you'll find a brief instruction. Read the whole manual when you use the emergency plug for the first time. It's a universal plug that works on all types of electric vehicles that answer to the UNECE R100 norm. This is an international standard every car with a plug should comply with. Get the emergency plug and the red opener out of the suitcase. Use the suitcase to block a wheel of the car. Open the charging point of the car by pushing the valve. Often the charging point is located at the back of a car, where usually the gas tank valve is located. It can also be at the front next to the door. Some electric cars have a charging port at the front side inside the grille. You can open the charging port of a Tesla by pushing the button on top of the emergency plug. This won't work, however, when the car is still in drive mode. If you're not able to open the charging port, use the red opener that comes with the emergency plug. Pry open the charging port. You don't need to use a lot of force to do so. The valve opens towards the nose of the car. The charging port of a Tesla or one that is placed in the grille opens upwards. Activate the emergency plug by pushing the button on top. The emergency plug now carries out a self-test and flashes green when ready. If the emergency plug has a red light or flashes, please consult the manual and don't use the plug. If the emergency plug flashes a green light, put it in the charging port of the car and push it firmly. When the emergency plug flashes blue, the car is secured from shooting forward. The site of the accident is now safe for caregivers and bystanders. When the caregivers have finished their work, the emergency plug can easily be removed due to the anti-lock system. Push the button of the emergency plug for 5 seconds to switch it off and put it back in the suitcase. Make sure the emergency plug is dry before you store it.